I am sorry for the low volume of the video, so I will record another one for my voice for this video, and I delete the first volume of the video. So this time I'll go to group panel and pages, and I will create a new template, a new website. As you can see, there's a lot of template here to choose, but I want to make a blank template and rename to the name of the website. Is digital matrix, so I will just put the initials, the DMIT, and click this one. Create the first home page of the website, the empty page of the home page. So now we will create the navigation bar from the top to the top. I think this one is better. There is the logo and the name of the home page. I will forward this video when creating this the pages of the website, the about us, contact us, community, and service and capabilities. So I will forward the video now. And now the pages, the name of the pages are complete, and we have home, service, community, and about us. This time I will create a logo, but for now I will make a sample logo, temporary logo for our website, because the logo we need to make it on our Canva. And there you have it, our temporary logo. And save. And I think we need to change the color of this navigation bar. Change the background to the same of the color of the background, and there you have it. Make it small. And save. The next thing we do, we have to put the block, but for this time I need to extract the files on the folder so that we can have all the materials we need, the images, and there you have it, the extract, and these are the materials we need. Now I will create the first block on our website, on our home page, but it is very easy to make it that one. If you still remember, I just put the empty block and put image, and that's all. This time I will create the second block. I need to put the gallery. This one is the 6 images, so maybe this one is better. And the color is yellow, so I need to change this one. I don't like the yellow color. It's better to be a white color, and that one. I think I need to pass forward also this gallery, because I will put the 6 images and the title for each image, so I will pass forward this one too.